What if you could manage negative feedback before it's visible on your products? With TrustSync, it's easy. When a customer leaves a low rating, TrustSync redirects it to a private portal. There, you can resolve issues and request an updated rating, protecting your brand's reputation. Let's see how TrustSync helps handle negative customer feedback for your Shopify store. Before getting started, make sure you've installed the TrustSync app on your Shopify store. From the TrustSync app dashboard, navigate to the Review Settings page. Select which set of star reviews you want to publish automatically. Anything lower than that will be counted as negative feedback. Here, we are setting automated review posting for 4 and 5 stars. Others will be considered negative. Scroll down to bottom and enable a custom negative feedback form. Add the form URL here and hit the Save Changes button. Users who send low ratings via email will be automatically redirected to this form, and their ratings will not be published. All the negative reviews you receive will be stored in the Negative Feedback tab. Navigate to that tab. To take action on a specific review, click on the action icon next to it. A pop-up window will appear. It has the reviewer's details, including their name and email address. From here, you can send a personalized reply to the customer. Plus, you can update the status of the feedback as unresolved, replied, or resolved. Once you select the status, hit the Send button. You'll see the updated feedback status instantly. Under the action options, you can even take a look at the feedback details. And that's how you can effectively communicate with your customers and manage negative feedback using TrustSync. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this. Also, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials like this.